Okay. Now today we'll start with the page number 43, as we have studied that how Mr. Otis, the Minister of America, came with his family to the haunted house, and they were not believing on it. But the very first day they find it out, a blood stain over there, and Washington Otis, who was the son of Mr. Otis, came with the Pinkerson's stain remover and removed the stain, and after that he was very happy. Now, I have seen things with my own eyes, sir. Now, who is saying this? Mrs. Zumne. She said, things that would make your hair stand on and end with the fine. Many nights I have not been able to sleep for the awful things that have done here. Now, as they were not, the family was not able to believe on this ghostly or the haunted things. So Mrs. Umne said that she only had seen with her own eyes the ghost, and secondly she is saying there are n numbers of things happened over here. If they can listen to it, they will get the goosebumps. Mr. and Mrs. Otis, however, told her that they were not afraid of ghosts, and the last went slowly out to her own room. The storm blew fearlessly all the night. Now Mr. and Mrs. Otis, however, they are not believing in any sort of haunted things, and at last they just get into their rooms, and at night the storm blew very fiercely. बहुत ज़्यादा जोर से तेज हवाएं चल रही थी. The next morning, when they came down to breakfast, they found the terrible stain of blood once again on the floor. Now, next morning, when they come over there, they again find out the same thing. Same thing means the blood stain, they again find it out the blood stain. So, next, they found the terrible stain. I don't think it can be the fault of the perfect cleaner, said Washington. As the very first day, Washington was the only one who cleaned the stain. So that's why the second day also he said that it is not the mistake of any cleaner. I have tried it everything. It must be the ghost. Now he said because he tried to remove the stain and it was not removed. So that is why he also get the conclusion that it might be the ghost. I don't think. He rubbed out the stain a second time, but the second morning it appeared again. It was there again on the third morning, though the library had been locked up all the night by Mr. Otis himself and the key taken upstairs. The whole family was now quite interested. Now, what happened? The second day it happened, then third day, then fourth day. This way, daily they were getting the blood stain on the same place. Although Mr. Otis looked out the library and he only locked up it also and taken the key with himself, but even then, every morning he find it out the blood stain over near the fireplace. That night they all went to bed at 11 o'clock, and by 11:30 all the lights were out. Now that night, this is the incident of one of the day. What happened then? That one day by 11 o'clock, when they just get to sleep, by 11:30, 11:30, that is 11:30, the lights were also off. Some time later, थोड़ी ही देर बाद, Mr. Otis was awakened by a curious noise in the corridor outside his room. Now, Mr. Otis, he awakened. Reason being, because he just get the sound of some in outside the room. He was getting some sound. Corridor bahar ka veranda type. It sounded like the rattle of a metal and seemed to be coming nearer every moment. ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ पुल हो रहा है, एक मेटल का कुछ पुल हो रहा है, घिसकते हुए जा रहा है ना, रैटलिंग साउंड आ रहा था. He got up at once, struck a match and looked at the time. He got up, उन्होंने वो उठे and he just lit up a matchstick. It was exactly 1 o'clock. The strange noise still continued, and he heard the sound of the footstep now. Now what happened when he lit up the candle? He saw the time that it was 1 o'clock. Now he was not getting only the rattling sound of a metal. Now he was getting the sound of any footstep also. He put up his shoes, took up a small bottle from his case and opened the door. He put up his shoes, उन्होंने जूते पहने. He took one of the bottle and just opened the door. Right in front of him, just उनके सामने he saw in a pale moonlight a terrible old man. He find it out, one old man. His eyes were as red as a burning fire. Long grey hair fell over his shoulders. His clothes were old fashioned, dirty, and ragged. Heavy chains hung from his wrists and ankles. Now, what happened? He is saying that right in front of him, just unke samne what he find it out in the moonlight, a terrible old man. He find it out, one of the old men. और वो जो उनकी उसकी जो आंखें थी वो बिल्कुल रेड हो रखी थी, फायर जैसी. लॉन्ग ग्रे हेयर, बहुत लंबे लंबे उनके बाल थे जो शोल्डर्स तक आ रहे थे. हिज क्लोथ्स वर ओल्ड फैशन, बहुत पुराने जमाने के उन्होंने कपड़े पहन रखे थे, विच इज डर्टी एंड रेड, बहुत ओल्ड और फटे हुए. हैवी चेन्स हंग फ्रॉम हिज रिस्ट एंड एंकल्स, बहुत हैवी चेन्स जो थी वो उनके हाथों में और पैरों में बंधी हुई थी. एंड दैट इज वाई जब वो चल रहे थे तो वो रैटलिंग साउंड आ रहा था मेटल्स का, और फुटस्टेप भी इन्हीं का था. माय डियर सर, नाउ उसको देखकर मिस्टर ऑटिस ने उसको कहा, माय डियर सर, आई रियली मस्ट इंसिस्ट ऑन योर पुटिंग सम ऑयल ऑन दोज चेन्स. नाउ ही सेड, बिकॉज ही वाज गेटिंग अ रसलिंग साउंड, तो उन्होंने कहा कि इफ यू गोना पुट द ऑयल इनटू इट, वो ग्रीसिंग हो जाएगा and it will not make any sound. So he said, I have brought you a small bottle of Tammany Rising Sun Oil. I shall leave it for here for you by the bedroom candles and will be happy to bring you some more if you need it. He laid the bottle down on the table and closing the door, went back to bed. Now what happened? He said कि he is keeping the bottle inside the bed table, और फिर वो वहां से ले लें, और अगर उनको ज्यादा जरूरत होगी तो वो और भी लाके देंगे. मिस्टर ऑटिस विल ब्रिंग सम मोर ऑयल इफ ही वांट्स. फॉर अ मोमेंट द कैंटरविले घोस्ट स्टूड क्वाइट स्टिल. ये इंसिडेंट के बाद जो कैंटरविले घोस्ट था वो थोड़ा सा एकदम से सरप्राइज हो गया. देन ही थ्रू द बॉटल अपॉन द पॉलिश्ड फ्लोर एंड रैन डाउन द कॉरिडोर. और उसने बॉटल को लिया, उठा के उधर ही फेंका, एंड देन ही जस्ट गेट डाउन फ्रॉम द कॉरिडोर और मेकिंग अ लो ग्रॉनिंग नॉइजेस एंड ग्लोइंग ग्रीन इन द डार्कनेस. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड कि वो नीचे गए और बहुत ज्यादा वो कैसा नजर आ रहे थे, वो ग्रीन होते गए. Now, just as he reached the top of the great oak staircase, a door opened. जैसे ही वो बिल्कुल ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे गए और वहां पर गए, a door opened. अचानक से एक दरवाजा खुला. Two little children dressed in a white appeared and a pillow flew past his head. दो छोटे छोटे बच्चे, जैसा पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं, दो छोटे छोटे बच्चे उस कमरे से बाहर आए एंड दे थ्रू अ पिलो ओवर हिज हेड. उसके सर के ऊपर से, ये जो कैंटरविले घोस्ट था उसके सर के ऊपर से एक पिलो फेंका. There was no time to be lost, so he disappeared through the wall and the house became quite quiet. Now what happened कि जैसे ही उन बच्चों ने उसकी तरफ, घोस्ट की तरफ पिलो फेंका, तो एकदम से जो भूत था, घोस्ट था, वो दीवार से गायब हो गया. There was no time to be lost. उन्होंने बिल्कुल टाइम वेस्ट नहीं किया और वो जो भूत था वो दीवार से चला गया. ऑन रीचिंग अ स्मॉल सीक्रेट रूम, अब ये जो घोस्ट है, ये जो कैंटरविले घोस्ट है, वो कहाँ पहुंचा? एक सीक्रेट रूम में. ही लीन्ड अगेंस्ट अ मून बीम टू गेट हिज ब्रेथ बैक. और लीन, वो देखने लगा बाहर मून बीम. मून बीम होता है एक छोटा सा हिस्सा जहां से मून लाइट आती है. नेवर इन हिज ऑल 300 years of haunting had anyone been so rude to him. अब ये जो भूत था वो ये सोचने लगा कि फ्रॉम पास्ट 300 years वो लोगों को डराता था, किसी ने भी उससे इस तरीके से बिहेव नहीं किया. सब उसको देख के भागे, ये कभी नहीं भागा. Then he thought of the Duchess whom he had frightened badly as he stood before her mirror in her lace and diamond. अब उसे याद आ रहा है उस एक डचेस, डचेस का मतलब होता है रानी, एक रानी जो यहाँ पर आई थी और उसको उसने डराया था when she saw her face into the mirror. He thought of the 4 housemaids who had screamed when he had smiled at them through the curtains of one of the spare bedrooms. Now he thought of the 4 housemaids को भी उसने डराया था. He also remembered that. Then there was the man whose candle he had blown out. एक आदमी जिसका कैंडल वो बार बार ब्लोन आउट कर रहा था, जला रहा था, और जिसकी वजह से वो जो लाइब्रेरी में बार बार कैंडल जलने की वजह से वो बहुत ज्यादा डर गया और वो बहुत दिनों तक बीमार रहा। एंड नाउ आफ्टर ऑल दीज इन इंसिडेंट्स के बाद भूत में, इस घोस्ट कैंटरविले घोस्ट में एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था दैट ही कैन हॉन्टेड टू एनी पर्सन। बट and now after all this some A-full Americans had come, had offered it the rising sun oil. now अब ये अमेरिकन फैमिली जो है वो यहाँ पर पता नहीं कहाँ से आई है, जो कि उसको ऑफर क्या कर रही है, सन ऑयल, राइजिंग सन ऑयल ऑफर करती है, कोई उसके सर के ऊपर पिलो मारता है। It was too hateful. Beside, no ghost in history had ever been treated in this manner. अब वो सोचता है कि इससे पहले किसी ने भी मेरे जैसे घोस्ट के साथ ऐसा व्यवहार नहीं किया था। Now the chapter get ends. Okay. Thank you.